Did you open the glove box?
Sure. There's a gun inside.
Better take it with you.
Welcome back to Zach's Guns, guys. Today's video is Resident Evil themed, so if you're into Resident Evil like I am, awesome. You're going to love this video. If not, well, I still got some cool guns to show you, so stick around and you might enjoy it. Today we're looking at the RPD Welcome Pack. This is made by Capcom and produced by a company called Fanatic. This is limited edition, 2019, made worldwide. This is number 1524. This was very hard to find. I had to order this all the way from the UK. You can find them on eBay too, but they're pricey. So if you're a true fan like I am, get one. They're very cool. I already took the plastic off, and I did it with Claire's shoulder knife, which you can see her wearing in the original game and in the remake. I wish she actually used this in the game, but she doesn't. It's just there for decoration, I guess. Still a cool knife. This is made by the Ontario Knife Company, which is the same company that produces Leon's knife that he gets from Marvin. Very cool. Alright. And for eye candy today, we have Claire's SLS 60. This is actually a Smith & Wesson 649-2, chambered in .38 Special. Already safety checked, don't worry. It's got the shrouded hammer. I wish they did a little backstory on how Claire actually came to have this in her possession. I like to think one of two things. Either Chris gave it to her because it's her older brother. He's a cop, so, you know, he wants her to be safe. Or, which I think makes even more sense, which I think they should have done once they were in the police car, is Leon should have taken that off his ankle as his backup gun. Because if you notice on his belt, Leon has two speed loaders for a revolver, which he has no reason to have unless this was his backup gun. At least that's how I think about it. Also, we got Leon's personal sidearm of choice, the HK VP70, nicknamed Matilda. Got the heel mag release, cross block safety. So weird. And this is actually the takedown lever. This gun does not have a slide stop or release. Pretty cool gun. Also very hard to find. All this is hard to find. But if you're a true fan like I am, you'll find it eventually. Alright, so let's get into it. The RPD Welcome Pack. Let's check it out. Like I said, I took the plastic off already. Okay, first up we got a little map of Raccoon City. There's the RPD right there. You can see all the little street names and stuff. Kind of cool. I wish it wasn't so tiny. Should have been like poster size if you ask me. That would have been neat. Oh well. Okay. Next up we got Leon's badge. Very nice. Look at the shine on that. It's beautiful. Nice enamel. These are all metal, guys, by the way. Belt clip on there. Capcom logo. Pretty cool. Next up, we got the weapons locker keycard. Real thick metal on that. Jeez. Very nicely made. You got some bubbles in the enamel there. That's not good. Whatever. Minor imperfection. So you got the weapons locker keycard. Leon uses this to get his shotgun, and Claire uses it to get her grenade launcher. And let's see. Got some stuff written on the back there, if you can read that. Pretty cool. Comes with a little display stand. And last but not least, we got the parking permit. This is really nice. It's got the nice RPD logo on there. Also solid metal, very thick. Leon uses this to get out of the parking garage with Ada to head over to Kendo's gun shop. Another display stand for that. And that's it. That's the RPD Welcome Pack. Just a short video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I have other memorabilia if you want to see it. I got some more badges. I got some medallions. I got all kinds of stuff. If you want to see more of this stuff, let me know down in the comments, okay? And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.